Hey guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. Today is Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. And as you can see, whoopsie, okay. I made a bunch of pom-poms yesterday. And I posted a little video clip to my Instagram and Facebook. And I was like, gee, why is Lisa making all these pom-poms? Suzanne, you are correct. Yay, Suzanne. Oh, God. Okay. So, yes, I am making a rug for my daughter Chantel's nursery. Yeah. So, okay. Chantel has a, what do you call that? A Pinterest board. And she's put up a whole bunch of things that she'd like, you know, for nursery and baby and blah, 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 blah. So so on her Pinterest board, she has this rug. And as soon as I saw that rug, I was like, hey, because this rug is a rug that's for sale, and it's like over $100 for this rug. So I was like, I know I can make this rug. And it's funny because as soon as I saw it, I was like, wait a minute, I've got a little memory bell going on in here because that rug looks exactly like, okay, first of all, do you remember I made this bathroom rug? I made this bathroom rug, and it was a Jayda InStitches tutorial. Well, then I went, I know Jayda InStitches had a full circle rug. And I went, I know I can make Jayda InStitches full circle rug and just add pom-poms on it, and it looks pretty darn close. I want to add a picture of the rug that was on Chantel's Pinterest board, but I just clicked the link to it, and it says not found. Whatever not found. So whatever store this rug was in, they have taken this rug off. I think this rug is no longer available. But anyway, guys, I made a pretty close likeness to it. And you're probably saying to yourself, well, you haven't made it, Lisa. Your pom-poms are sitting right in front of you. I have decided that due to shipping, I am going to, and Chantel is a crafty little girl, I'm going to put all these pom-poms in a Ziploc bag and suck the juices and suck the air, not juices, forget that, suck the air out of the Ziploc bag, and she can attach the pom-poms to the rug. So, pom-poms are made, and I'm going to add a few more extra pom-poms. Pom-poms are made. This is the rug, guys, that I made. Hello! Geez, I sewed in my ends and I can't even tell which is the front and which is the back. Let me see here. I think, yeah, that's the front. So, this is pretty darn close to the rug that was on our Pinterest board. For like oh my God, it was like 120 bucks or 100 and I don't know. It was a crazy price. Well, okay, I gotta shut up, right? Because we all know, okay, so it's not a crazy price. Okay, I'm deleting what I just said. It's not a crazy price. Okay, forget I said that. Anyway, forget I said that. Anyway, so anyway, this, and I'm going to take you, because I haven't sewn the pom-poms onto this yet, I'm going to, once I tell you a little bit more about this, then I'm going to take you down on the floor. Yeah. I'm going to stop stop videotaping here, and then I'm gonna do another little clip, and I'm gonna show you it on the floor. Oh my God, guys. So anyway, this is, like I said, by Jayda InStitches. It's the beautiful area rug crochet tutorial, and I will link her tutorial in the description box below. So she used, obviously it's a rug, so she used a cotton yarn. Now, she lives in Canada, and I don't know where the heck she got this big honking ball of cotton. I don't know what cotton she used either, because she didn't show the ball band or anything, so I don't know what cotton she was using. Anyway, what I used was, from Hobbii, this MegaBall 100% acrylic yarn. And the reason I said I'm okay with using an acrylic yarn instead of a cotton is, well, first of all, I didn't have that much, well, I didn't have the cotton in a color for Chantel's nursery colors. And also, because of the pom-poms that are going to be, well, you guys will see it in a few, the pom-poms are going to go all around the edge. Well, it's not a rug. It's like an accent rug. That's what it's going to be. It's not going to be an industrial rug in your bathroom, you know, that you want cotton for. So anyway, she used an 8mm hook, and I had the 2 balls of the same cotton, and it's a 3. This is a 3 light. And Jayda used the cotton yarn, which I think was a number 4, and she used 2 strands together. Oh, I forgot to measure how big my rug was in comparison to Jayda's. But anyway, this color is called Powder Blush. It's color number 417, and this is the Hobbii yarn called We Love Yarn MegaBall. Yeah, there's 1,312 yards in each ball. So, like I said, I used two strands together, 8mm hook, and I created this masterpiece. So, here's my rug. And so when it gets to Chantel, she can, and I'll take this down on the floor and show you better, but she can attach all the pom-poms around the edges. And I really hope that I can insert the picture of the original rug that I was going for, but they were selling it. It wasn't a pattern, it wasn't a tutorial, it was a rug that they were selling. So when I saw it, I thought this was pretty darn close. And so what do you guys think? What do you think, guys? Okay, I'm going to measure this too. I forgot to measure it, guys. Okay, so I'm going to stop this now, and I'm going to show it to you on the floor. Once Chantel gets the pattern. Oh my Lord, the pom-poms. I'm going to show it to you what it should look like. Okay, hang on, guys. Okay, guys, so here is my rug. Yay, me! I think I did a fantastic job, if I do say so myself. So here are the pom-poms that I'm going to send to Chantel, and she can attach them, you know, to the edge. I just think I'm going to let her decide where she wants to put them. And also, by the time I put all these pom-poms in a bag and suck all the air out, then they're going to need to be fluffed. So I think it would be better for her to have them detached, and she can fluff them all up, and then she can attach them all. So, guys, what do you think? This is the pom-pom maker I used. I don't know. I think I got I got a few pom-pom makers from Wish. So I don't know the size. I don't know what size this is. And it actually, this pom-pom maker, at first I was like, oh my God, these pom-poms are going to be huge. But with this size, what am I doing here? Breaking everything. With this size of pom-pom maker, by the time you make your pom-pom, and then, you know, you've got to, you know, the pom-pom only comes out to be that big. So it looks bigger. This looks like it's going to make a huge pom-pom, and when it doesn't. Here, let me, so let me show you guys here. This pom-pom maker. Made this size of pom-pom. Right? So, anyway, I love it. I'm sure Chantel will love it, and grandbaby will love it. And if I can find the picture of the original, what I was when I saw the picture of this, it sparked my memory of a Jayda InStitches tutorial. I think I pretty much banged this baby out of the ballpark. What do you think, guys? I love it. And like I said, and you see with the pom-poms, obviously, this is not going to be a rug that's you know, it's not going to be a high traffic area rug. It's just a pretty accent to the baby's nursery. So I was quite fine with using the acrylic yarn as instead of the cotton yarn. And I'll tell you guys, this yarn, oh my god, hang on. Can you, honey lover, can you zoom into this, please, while I grab the yarn? This yarn got, whoops, I'm tied up everywhere. This yarn here, guys, oh my god, is it ever soft? I'm sorry, it says we love yarn. Wowzers, baby, this, I loved working with this yarn so much. This was, wow. I know I did a video on my Hobbii order and I kind of bitched about it. And I forget what I paid for this. But this is beautiful. I love the feel of this yarn. This is, oh my god, it is so nice. I really love it. So I hope Chantel loves it. I hope you guys love this. And yeah, you want to make this rug as an accent. Oh yeah, I'm going to grab my, wait a minute guys, hang on. How big is this? Where are we at here? So this measures, like 28, yeah, about, you know, it measures about 28 inches, guys. Pretty cool, though. What do you guys think? Are you impressed with me, guys? Seriously, I am. I'm impressed. Look, guys, look. Love it. Yeah, put one in the middle. Oh, she can put one in the middle. I'll make extras. But anyway, you get the point, right? You guys understand my point of the pom-poms, and she can add them herself. Yay! Yay me. And so thank you, Jayda InStitches. Easy. Oh guys, easy tutorial. I think, didn't I make this in one day? Did I make the rug in like a day?
Pretty well, yeah.
Yay? Yeah. So get this on your hook, guys. Pretty love it. Okay, everybody have a great day. Stay tuned. I got to show you something really cute next in my next video. Stay tuned. Bye.